when the rain falls, it comes inside our rooms through the windows because there was so many glasses on the rooftop. But whenever I call them, they refuse to heed my call.
So then, what made you decide to contact us, NJS, in helping you try and overcome this? What was it that made you think, I need someone else to help me with this?
Without heeding their calls, they have to contact the Disrepair team for them to, because that's the only way they can force them to come and do it for them.
Okay, and then finally, considering your own experiences of living in disrepair currently, what guidance or advice would you give to other tenants out there that may be seeking further help with this? What advice would you give them?
Yeah, I'll tell them to, if they complain to them without heeding their calls, they have to contact the Disrepair team for them to, because that's the only way they can force them to come and do it for them.
So you'd say then that without speaking to a solicitor or professional team, it's very unlikely.
Exactly. They will leave you vulnerable.
If you are living in disrepair, you have reported it and your council or housing association won't fix it for you, you are entitled to be compensated and get the repairs done.
Don't suffer in silence. Click the link below and we'll make sure you get the compensation that you deserve.